I don't know. Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kerry. I'm so very flat. Oh my, it's a little bit scary, just a little. And today's video, I'm super excited because it is going to be in collaboration with Luvme hair. We're trying out wigs today. Well, just one wig, but I'm so excited for it. But before we get into everything, make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already, as well as turn on the post notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at Glaminista08 pretty much everywhere. That way you can stay tuned and see behind the scenes looks at all the girly glam and slightly ratchet parts of my life. But other than that, we're just gonna get right into today's video. Okay guys, I have my hair in this really ratchet frizzy dry bun because we're not styling her today. Fun fact, a lot of you guys compliment my hair on my Instagram posts, and I take that with pride, except for the fact that 95% of the time my hair is a wig. I have hair obviously on the top of my head. I have worked to grow out my hair to take care of my curls, and I'm really proud of the progress that I've made, so much that I don't like to heat style, straighten, do anything that will really damage my hair too often. So I adopted wigs, and even more so over quarantine, just because they make your life so much easier. You don't really have to style your hair. You can just put it in a protective style, make sure it's hydrated, put it back, put a wig on, and it takes you about 5 minutes to do something that would normally take me like 2 hours to do with my own hair. Plus again, it protects your hair, it just preserves the progress you're making. So we love wigs here. I was contacted by Luvme Hair in order to try out one of their wigs, and in particular this wig is something I'm super excited about because it is a headband wig. Headband wigs are awesome because it conserves lace, because it doesn't have a lace front, it just has a headband, but it also gives you this really nice sweet casual vibe, and you can pair it with any type of headband accessory that either the wig comes with or headbands and stuff that you have of your own. It's easy to blend with your hair. You don't have to take as much time styling and installing a wig because it's a headband wig, so it's meant to just throw and go, honestly. And I was really excited about this wig for not only the fact that it was a headband wig, which I only have one that I've tried and it's synthetic, but also because this is human hair and it's curly and it matches my hair color. When I'm filming this part of the video, by the way, I already did try on the wig. I obviously didn't want to put it on in the intro to ruin anything for you guys, and my first time putting it on was the first time me unboxing. So we'll get into that. All of the information about Luvme Hair and more about the specific wig that I will be trying on today in this video will be in the description box down below. I tried on their wavy, wet and wavy, I think is what it's called, 20-inch headband wig in natural black. Its value is $350, but they are selling it for $140 right now, and they also have afterpay, so that's awesome because that way you can pay in installments. You can get it in different lengths. Again, I chose the 20-inch length, which I think is like a really nice natural length, a little bit lower than the shoulder, but you can get it as short as 14 inches, as short as 12 inches, or as long as 24. They deem this wig as something that is wig beginner and lazy girl friendly. Again, there's no glue, no lace, any of the really hard things that people struggle with when it comes to installing a wig. You don't have to worry about. You just put it on like a hat. It claims that the headband is breathable and comfortable. You can put it in a high pony or bun style, which we will be trying, and you get 5 trendy headbands sent to you for free. This is 250-gram weight, and it is 100% virgin hair. This claims to last for at least 1 year, which is pretty long for wig life. You can dye it. The straps are adjustable, and it has really good natural density. The last thing I want to talk about before we get into this try on is the shipping. They do ship worldwide, and honestly I got this wig in like 2 days. And they say the average time for Luvme Hair is about 2 to 4 days, but this was really fast shipping. I was actually really impressed, especially because of the packaging, which is super beautiful. But yeah, we're going to get right into everything. I'm going to try on this wig and give you guys the details from the packaging to how this wig feels. Obviously you'll see how it looks, and then we're going to test the high styles and also heat styling, because this particular wig is supposed to be able to withstand heat and also go back to its original curl pattern when you wash it. So let's try it out. Alright guys, I'm so excited. I've never had a wig packaged this beautifully before. This is supposed to be an affordable luxury wig line, and I'm so excited to try out my new headband wig. The wig comes in this box like this. It has like a little, I don't want to call it a dust bag, but I guess that's what you call it for wigs. And you also get some free headbands. Ooh, they sent me some extra goodies. What is in here? Let's open the headband package first. Ooh, these headbands are thick. I have one that's solid gray. this cool pattern. I might give this to like my mom or my sister. I feel like they would like that. Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. Yellow, which will be really pretty for the summertime. And then, ooh, if I'm feeling like I need to hide in the bushes, I got me a camel. Also in this box, they have like a little note that says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, which I think is so cute. They also sent this really cool holographic bag. I don't know. They sent your girl an edge brush. We need her. This is fantastic. I've never gotten this from a wig before. I also have, oh snap, is this a wig extender? If you have a big head like yours truly, or if you have hair, that's my biggest problem. Like, I flatten my bun back here as much as possible, but some wigs can't fit me. I'm hype, y'all. I needed this. They sent your girl some bobby pins and this cute, do you see this? It says love me. Come on, Rebecca. You got one job. Okay, apparently Rebecca clocked out early today, but it says love me. It's super cute. It's a little hair clip. They also sent you this satin hair tie so that you can kind of set your wig in place. Y'all, I'm in love with this brand already. Of course, they send a wig cap, which is standard for any wig order you get, regardless of where it's from. And then they also sent like this little pamphlet of their wig information, facts about their brand, the wig, how to use it, and the return and refund policy. So this is amazing. But we care about the wig here, all right? So the headband wig I selected is supposed to be their 20-inch curly headband, like wavy wet hair wig, where you can style this, especially since it's all human hair, straight by straightening it, but it will also go right back to the curls if you decide to do that. This is what she looks like, a nice natural black. I never wear wig caps because I feel like my hair just makes the wig caps too tight and then it's not comfortable, but I am going to try it out with a wig cap just to make sure my hair is secure. Throw this on. Oh yeah, I'm convinced I just have an abnormally big head, but we have our wig cap on, and so I'm just gonna go in with this headband wig. That Velcro is strong. I hope that this fits my big head. Oh, and alas, my hair is in the way. All right, she is, as far as I can tell, secured. We're gonna shift the wig backwards so it looks like I have a little headband on, and boom. Guys, this is so weird for me because this is what I wish my curls looked like. All you have to do with headband wigs, which is why I think this idea is so amazing, is you put the wig on, make sure it ain't gonna fall off your head, and then you put some little bit of gel on your edges, and look. You're prepared because they sent you this little edge brush, so you can just smooth down your edges, and boom, you're ready to go out the door. You don't have to worry about a part. You don't have to worry about plucking your wig because your hair is all here, ready to go. Do y'all see this? Also, just about the quality of the hair really quickly, this hair is super soft. It definitely feels and looks like human hair. It doesn't look overly synthetic or like, you know, overly shiny. So we love her. Guys, I'm actually really obsessed with this. I think this is so pretty, especially for the summertime. Oh my gosh. This makes doing your hair so easy. I didn't have to do anything to my hair except for put it in a bun. Okay, hair done in 2 minutes. Now, this does claim that you can straighten the hair and then put it back to its original curly texture. So I'm going to test it out on a piece and see what happens. I'm just going to take a piece of hair from the underside. This hair is so soft. I really wish my curls cooperated with me like this. We are just going to go in with my little I&H hair straightening tool. Straighten her out. And just so you can see a clearer difference of the change of texture, this is the piece of hair that I straightened versus the texture that that wig comes in. So now what we're gonna do, ladies and gents, is we are going to wet the wig. Okay, y'all, so I had to be a little ratchet here. I could not find a water bottle to save my life. I didn't prepare for that, so I went ahead and rinsed this strand of hair underneath the sink. As you can see, the curl pattern, it's already returning back into the hair, and I actually really like how this looks wet. more than when it's dry. Yeah, the curl is definitely coming right back, and so we love this as well. The last test we need to do is making sure you can make this wig versatile, because yes, it's nice you have a headband, you can slide it forward or as back as you need and finesse and all that kind of stuff, but like for someone like me who has the extender on and then I have a big head and my hair is trying to hide underneath the wig cap and it's struggling, I want to know that I can wear my wig up if I wanted to and make it look like a cute casual laundry day type of look. So I'm going to take the cheetah print headband and test out what it looks like if I were to pull this hair up. I got this nice thick headband. Now I'm going to take this scrunchie, I know it doesn't match but it was the closest one I could get, and I am going to just pull the hair up and see if I can finesse hiding any edges with the headband. I don't feel like the wig is going to fall off my head. So this is the bottom of the look of a loose ponytail featuring this wig. It looks like you can also finesse a really nice high messy, I didn't try too hard at all, lazy day grocery store pickup bun. Yeah, I think headband wigs are super cute for this, for like you want to still be cute but you want to look like you didn't try too hard because you have your headband on, your hair is wrapped, your hair is pushed back like this. But it's awesome because you get the same versatility that you would if you got like a full 360-degree lace type of wig. And obviously you can do things like low ponies, two ponies, etc. But you can definitely pull the hair up, which is so awesome. And look, the piece that I straightened is already dried and back to its form. So that means the wig does what it claims. So we like her, Luvme. In fact, we love her. Alrighty guys, so that is today's wig try on and review video. This again was my first time trying Luvme hair and I'm really impressed, not only with the presentation of the hair but the quality of the hair. It does everything that it claims and it makes your life a whole lot easier. If you guys are interested in checking out Luvme hair for yourself, I'll have links and information in my description box down below, including more information on the exact wig that I tried on today. That's it, you guys. I think I might be taking this on vacation with me, to be honest, because this is awesome and it just saves you so much time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if there's any other type of video you guys want to see on my channel, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already so that way you don't miss out on future videos to come. But with all that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!